Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be producing this very cute little chick drawing. So get yourself some white paper. You'll need a pencil, an eraser and a black pen and something round to draw around. So I've used this little tub, but you could use a glass or a bowl or anything that's round. And don't forget, if you like to draw animals, you can download my free PDF of how to draw horse galloping, which you'll find in the link just here. So let's get started. Okay, so get your round object and just pop it in the middle of the page. I'm going to draw around this little pot. I think it's an old salt pot, but you can find anything. You could find a glass or such as something round to draw around. There we go. Now I'm going to draw another circle, just slightly smaller. Just to help me, I'm just going to draw a dot at the bottom where I think it's going to go and a dot roughly where the top's going to go, just about here. I think I might bring that down just a little bit. Okay, so let's try and draw a circle freehand. It is really not that easy. So I'm just going to attempt this, but you can draw around something just a little bit smaller. Whee, that's a little bit lopsided, isn't it? Anyway, remember not to do it too heavily. Just draw it really lightly and faintly in pencil. Just pressing a little bit harder just so that you can see it on camera. Okay, there we go. It doesn't look too bad. I hope yours is better than mine. But it doesn't have to be perfect, that's the main thing. Okay, now we're going to draw a little triangle just here on the left-hand side. And you guessed it, this is going to be the beak, the little chick. There we go. Random fact of the day. Did you know that chickens are the closest living relative to the T-Rex dinosaur? I did not know that. Okay, and then a little circle just here. That's obviously going to be the eye. And then now we're going to draw the little feet. So just one of them, just here. A line coming diagonally down like this. And then it just goes horizontally like that. And another one just coming down like that. If you've got this far, you're doing so well. Keep going, you've turned up today. Let's finish this. Okay, next step, just do a line joining up these two circles. It's going to be just the back area, just like that. And then the tummy. So one line starting here, ending there, and it'll be curved, just like that. Okay, that's the end of stage one. Okay, next stage, we're going to focus on the head. I'm going to start off with pen, but please stick to pencil. I'm only doing it in pen so that you can see it much easier on the camera. Okay, so it's got like a double ridge on the beak. So just a line like that. This there is going to come round and in like that. Okay, I'm just going to make this a little bit darker, that bit. Okay, on the end of this one, there's like a little peak on the end, and then there's the bottom bit to the little beak. Okay, with me? Now there's just a line here. Great. Okay, now we're just going to draw a line going up and one coming round. Brilliant. Now we're going to draw the eye. So just draw a nice circle shape, just like that. All right, then just a little line coming across like so. Okay, we're going to leave a little area white, so I'm just going to show where that area is going to be. It's going to be the reflection of the light. And then just a smaller circle just underneath, like so. I'm now going to colour it all in. So it's really taking shape now, isn't it? Well done for getting this far. There we go. Excellent. So we're just going to finish this eye. So we're just going to draw another little line just there and round. One little line here. Just going to extend that line. There we have the eye. So next we're going to do the fluffy head. So I'm just going to use lots of dashes. So dash, 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 lots of dashes to show, oh, I can't even say that, lots of dashes just to show that it's very, very fluffy. That's very hard to say. So just bring it round like this. Carry on all across the back area, just these little dashes, all the way round here. Write in the comment section below if you keep chickens at home. I know my grandmother used to keep chickens and I used to love seeing all the little chicks when they hatched. So cute. Okay, so underneath here as well, Just lots of these little dashes coming round the tummy area, all the way down like this, until we get to the leg. Okay, now we're at the leg, so we're just going to show just where the leg is, so a little line coming up there, and another one doing something similar just down here. There we go. Now we're going to add in the tiny little wing. So the top of the wing is just about here. So you can use longer strokes now. So just a little wing like this. Very super cute fluffy wing. Just like that, because they can't fly yet. There we go, just tiny little one like that. We're also going to show where the head kind of ends just here. So lots of these little dashes. I find it's really useful to kind of show fur and fluffy things using loads of these little dashes. Okay, I'm going to add a few more just underneath this wing just to show that it's in shadow just there. Okay, now we're going to draw the feet. So I have one line coming down here. It's going to go across, and I've got one toe. Then we're going to do top part of this one coming down. I'm going to draw a much longer toe. Just like so, okay? Then there's the little toe at the back, and then we can draw in the other foot, just peeping out, just here. So there's the other little toe there, and then down, and then the other big toe, just peeping out from behind, and one over there. Okay, let's add some claws. So one there, one there, one over there, little one here, peeping out here, and one there. Okay, I think it's time to erase all the pencil lines, and if you haven't done so yet, go over it in pen and then erase the pencil lines. Okay, so I've erased all the pencil markings. Now we're just going to do a little bit of detail, particularly on the feet. So just draw some very slightly curved lines, just going all the way down this foot here. Try and keep them a similar spacing apart. I know I'm not succeeding in that area very well, but trying to concentrate and talk at the same time, it's quite hard. So doing it on all the toes and just on the back of this foot here as well, just going round just like that. Okay, going all the way up to the top. Now I'm just going to do a series of lines in the other direction, just straight lines, just going like that. Okay, and then just in between the toes here, show the shadow. There we go, just like that. I'm then going to add a little bit of shadow to the ground here. So just some horizontal lines, just like that, just to show that the little chick's standing on the ground just here and it's not floating or trying to fly. There we go. Now we're just going to add a tiny little bit of shadow just underneath. So I'm just going to draw just a few more little kind of sketchy lines, just going on the underneath side of the belly, just underneath here, underneath there, around here, just underneath the wing area like we did before. Just a few more though, just like that. And just in between the wing and the head, just underneath the beak, and a tiny bit just here. Okay, and just on the underside of the beak, just here. There we go, and that is finished. So I hope you've enjoyed this chick drawing. If you'd like to draw a hen, just click on the link just here. And don't forget, consider subscribing and liking, and I do hope to see you on the next one. Take care, bye-bye.